Don't treat people as bad as they are. Treat them as good as you are. The best fighter is never angry. Every pain gives a lesson, and every lesson changes a person. Sunsets are proof that the ending can also be beautiful. Life is so ironic. To understand fully, it takes sadness to know what happiness is. In the end, promises are just words. No matter how strong a person you are, there's always a person who can make you weak. One day you will be just a memory of some people. Do your best to be a good one. First love is important, but the last love is very important, because first love changed nature and last love changed life, so care your love. Life is like a book. If you never turn the page, you will never know what the next chapter holds. Never take too much care of someone, because you want to be able to stand the pain when they start avoiding you. Life is series of a million tiny miracles. Take the time to notice them. Cry is a way your eyes speak when your mouth can't explain how broken heart is. Eyes melts when hated, eyes melt when treated. Don't to be happy when someone says they love you and care for you, because one day they will change and their love for you change too. Once the heart gets too heavy with pain, people don't cry. They just turn silent, completely silent. Sometimes the love are fake, but hate is always real. The brightest smile hides the deepest pain inside. Enjoy every moment in your life. Today's beautiful moments are tomorrow's beautiful memories. If you liked this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Take care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.